Want to learn video editing through FIlmora 11 from the very start? Then do watch the video till the end, as in this video I'll be showing you everything of FIlmora 11 or video editing from the very start, from the interface to exporting the video. So let's get started with the episode 1. So in this video, I'll be using FIlmora 11 for the tutorial because I think FIlmora 11 will be the best software for beginners. So let us first download FIlmora 11 from their official site. For this, you need to go into the link in description and click over that. Now you will see something like this. You can go here and purchase if you want so directly without the watermark, or priorly you can try by using the free download option. You can download app and use many of its features except a few. Once you are done with the trial, you can go ahead and purchase FIlmora 11 from the same website. Just go to the link in description and do. So let us now first open FIlmora 11 and you will see something like this. This interface will open at the first point of your download. You can see here many things like file menu, edit menu, tools menu, view, export, help, etc. Then in the middle you can see the name of your file, then Wondershare drive, get creative, help support, account, save, message, download, etc. Now going to this panel, this is the most useful and important media assets panel where you'll get all the assets you want, like your media folder where you will import your video or audio files. Then the stock media tab where you will get Pixabay video, Pixabay images, pixels, GIFs from Jiffy, Unsplash, etc. Then you have the audio option from where you will get many more music songs like background music or sound effect, etc. Then you have the title, the most important in your editing. From the titles you can get many text presets like basic, word art, title, opener, etc. Then you have transition that you can apply to video or audio. Then you have effects where you will get almost all the effects starting from video effects to audio effects. Then comes the element section where you'll get all the elements or graphics that you need in your video. You can even use the split screen tab from where you can add one or more or many other clips at the same time using the split screen tab or split screen effect. Then we have the timeline where you will get many options like undo, redo, delete, trim option, silence detection, edit option, text to speech, keyframe, speed, duration, etc. You can have the render preview, that is your playback quality or preview quality will increase. Then you have markers, voiceover, audio mixer, fit to timeline and zoom timeline. At last you will also have audio viewer, like where you can see how much audio is processed in the left and right side of your headphones. Now to use any effect or title or any element from in the video editing, you can just download it and drag it in the timeline and you are done, you can see. So this was it from the interface. At last you can go to export option, export your video in any of the formats given above, or you can directly upload it to YouTube or Vimeo. Hence, I hope you found the video helpful and found something new. If so, do hit the like button, share and subscribe. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye.